Question 1. Which of the following statement about the autotrophs is incorrect? A. They synthesize carbohydrate from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. B. They store carbohydrate in the form of starch. C. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate in the absence of sunlight. D. They constitute the first trophic level in food chains. Right answer. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate in the absence of sunlight. Question number 2. In which of the following group of organisms food material is broken down outside the body and absorbed? A. Mushroom, green plants, amoeba. B. Yeast, mushroom, bread mold. C. Cuscuta, lice, tapeworm. D. Cuscuta, lice, tapeworm. Right answer. Yeast, mushroom, bread mold. Number 3. Select the correct statement. A. Heterotrophs do not synthesize their own food. B. Heterotrophs utilize solar energy for photosynthesis. C. Heterotrophs synthesize their own food. D. Heterotrophs are capable of converting carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate. Right answer. Heterotrophs do not synthesize their own food. Question number 4. Which is the correct sequence of parts in human alimentary canal? A. Mouth, stomach, small intestine, esophagus, large intestine. B. Mouth, stomach, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. C. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. D. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Right answer. D. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Question number 5. If salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva, which of the following events in the mouth cavity will be affected? A. Protein breaking down into amino acids. B. Starch breaking down into sugars. C. Fats breaking down into fatty acids and glycerol. D. Absorption of vitamins. Right answer. B. Starch breaking down into sugars. Question number 6. The inner lining of a stomach is protected by one of the following from hydrochloric acid. A. Pepsin. B. Mucus. C. Salivary amylase. D. Bile. Right answer. B. Mucus. Question number 7. Which part of alimentary canal receives the bile from the liver? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Esophagus. Right answer. B. Small intestine. Question number 8. A few drops of iodine were added to rice water. The solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates that rice water contains A. Complex proteins. B. Simple proteins. C. Fats. D. Starch. Right answer. D. Starch. Question number 9. In which part of alimentary canal food is finally digested? A. Stomach. B. Mouth cavity. C. Large intestine. D. Small intestine. Right answer. Small intestine. Question number 10. Choose the function of the pancreatic juice from the following. A. Trypsin digests protein and lipase carbohydrate. B. Trypsin digests emulsified fats and lipase protein. C. Trypsin and lipase digest fats. D. Trypsin digests protein and lipase emulsified fats. Right answer D. Trypsin digests protein and lipase emulsified fats. Question number 11. When air is blown from mouth into a test tube containing lime water, the lime water turns milky due to presence of A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Water vapor. Right answer B. Carbon dioxide. Question number 12. The correct sequence of anaerobic respiration in yeast is A. Glucose, pyruvate, ethanol plus carbon dioxide, B. Glucose, pyruvate, lactic acid, C. Glucose, pyruvate, lactic acid, D. Glucose, pyruvate, ethanol plus carbon dioxide. Right answer D. Glucose, pyruvate, ethanol plus carbon dioxide. Question number 13. Which of the following is most appropriate for aerobic respiration? A. Glucose, pyruvate, CO2 plus HO2 plus energy. B. Glucose, pyruvate, CO2 plus H2O plus energy. C. Glucose, pyruvate, CO2 plus H2O plus energy. D. Glucose, pyruvate plus energy, CO2 plus H2O plus energy. Right answer D. Glucose, pyruvate plus energy, CO2 plus H2O plus energy. Question number 14. Which is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? Right answer D. Nostrils, pharynx, larynx. Question number 15. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in A. Trachea and larynx, B. Alveoli of lungs, C. Alveoli and throat, D. Throat and larynx. Right answer Question number 16. What prevents backflow of blood inside the heart during contraction? A. Valves in heart, B. Thick muscular walls of ventricles, C. Thin walls of atria, D. All the above. Right answer A. Valves in heart. Question number 17. Single circulation, that is, blood flows through the heart only once during one cycle of passage through the body, is exhibited by A. Labio, Chameleon, Salamander, B. Hippocampus, Exocetus, Anabas, C. Hyla, Rana, Draco, D. Whale, Dolphin, Turtle. Right answer Hippocampus, Exocetus, Anabas. Question number 18. In which of the following vertebrate group heart does not pump oxygenated blood to different parts of the body? A. Pisces and amphibians, B. Amphibians and reptiles, C. Amphibians only, D. Pisces only. Right answer Pisces only. Question number 19. The filtration units of kidney are called A. Ureter, B. Urethra, C. Neurons, D. Nephrons. Right answer D. Nephrons. Question number 20. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from A. Water, B. Chlorophyll, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Glucose. Right answer A. Water.